today is the first time of coming across my video, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. My return is thank you and God bless you. In today's video, we are going to be making potatoes pottage. Potato pottage. So as you can see, all the ingredients we are using to make this potato chips, I am showing it one by one. We have rosemary for spices, we have tomatoes and other ingredients there. We have also oil, we have red oil, potatoes, curry powder, we have fish and gizzard as well. I have one Maggi cube chicken. My gizzard is in the fire already. I just put it in the gas now. I will be adding all the spices. All the spices have been added, and onions. I use 2 onions. I have to cover the pot now. I will leave it for at least 40 minutes. Now my potato is ready to peel. Yeah, I peel it off camera. I'm just showing you how I all the seeds. Now my gizzard is almost ready. Okay, my potato is peeled already and everything is in fire. I just cut it big because I don't want the thing to be pieces. So it's in the fire already. I have my blended crayfish here. I'm adding it now because potato have no, you don't have time, you know, just 5 minutes potato is ready. 5 minutes. So that is why I'm adding everything. So I have my pepper, fresh pepper and onions. I'm putting everything inside so that everything will just done together. I'm putting my macro fish inside. As well, I'm adding my gizzard boiling already. It has already boiled. I had everything together on my curry powder. Okay, you can see all. I will add tomatoes now. I'm adding tomatoes because I just want everything to blend together. Does not have time to, you see, everything is, I'm putting salt already. Now I'll turn it and then let the spices get into the potato pottage. As you can see, my pottage is almost ready. In a few minutes, the pottage will be ready. I'm just turning everything I had. Very soon I will add my oil as well. Now I'm adding my oil. Feel free to use any one of your choice. You can use yam. I feel like using patate. I feel like using potatoes because it's long I'm not eating this food, so I just decided to use patate to make it. I was having yam. I have yam at home, but I feel to use potatoes. That is why I use potatoes. I use in the next few minutes my patate is ready. Okay guys, my potato is ready. Thank you for joining me for today's video, and see you for my next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe